By using evidence, we're drawing on the experience and knowledge of many, many different schools, and we're learning from things that have gone well and been proven to have impact in those schools, or alternatively, things that we know haven't had impact or haven't worked. So it gives the teacher a sense of confidence in what they're choosing to do and innovate in their classrooms, has meaning and has kind of a background of success.
Without drawing on research evidence, we waste opportunities to base our practice directly on evidence rather than always reinventing wheels, doing things that may actually not be productive, and learning on an individual basis. Instead, we should be drawing on what's already there, what we already know, and being able to drive our learning further. Our partnership with Escucha is a great exemplar here of how we learn from one another. Different national contexts are very important. Those differences are real and meaningful. So learning from one another and then feeding the evidence generated back into our teaching and learning toolkit that will be available for all global teachers.